surprise. Yes guys, this is yo the sun hot yo rig. No sir, yo the permit yo I'm wait like actually I just did a work a while ago. I just wrap a car. It's one of them RS station wagon, RS3 hatchback, RS3, not S3, RS3 guys, RS3, yeah. Just done wrap on a while ago, the top of it in the carbon fiber, and I just run to pick up my shipment. What kind of police thing I go on so now? Yeah, something going on, so some big accident. Yeah. Anyway guys, as you can see, there's a big ratted box in my carrier now. Our next box on our back, and yeah, that head home. So this is a shipment I just go pick up guys, and I'm very excited. Yeah, I shall show you guys when I reach home. But this is something I wanted to do to the car from I just bought it, and this is just the time. See what I mean? It's just the time guys. So this is it. Welcome back to the channel guys. Welcome back to my vlog. Today's another special day for the Celica. As you can see, the completion of the wrap and the different changes. I have one more special thing for my car, and this is just like an add-on. I've always wanted to do this to the car ever since I bought it, but you'll see exactly why. Right now I'm kind of transforming the car to the original Celica, so you'll see exactly why this is now, alright? Alright guys, so I just went and picked up this from the shipping. I had ordered it and it's here now. Tell me if you can guess what this is. Can you guess what that is? Huh? Tell me, can you guess that? Alright, I'm gonna pull it out. Got another package. So this is two packages. You probably won't see this right now because I'm not going to use this, but this is one and that is two. I want you to tell me what you think that is. Alright guys, in the next 5 minutes, don't cheat, comment and tell me what you think that is. Alright? Open at some point, right guys? Ta-da! That's one part of it. So, are you getting close? Tell me, ooh. Did you guess? Tell me who guessed it. You didn't guess it. You didn't guess it at all, guys. You didn't guess it. But here you are. So, guys, this is the TRD brackets. Alright, this guys, tell me what is that? That is my TRD replica spoiler. So some of you will say this is not an original TRD spoiler. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. However, This is my TRD spoiler. See there, guys? That's it. So I shall be setting this up shortly. Okay, guys. Alright. Guys, when you love something, even when it's tough, even when it's hard, you just do it, you know? Because at the end of the day, you're going to be enjoying it. At the end of the day, when you finish and you look at it, you're going to be like, yeah, I did that, you know? So, sometimes it's challenging, sometimes it's a bit troublesome, you know? Sometimes it doesn't come out as 100% as you expect it to, but you know, it's yours, you did it, so you know, you just big up yourself, you know.
Hey yo, shut it down. These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, never got a roll with ice. Generations caught up, look how things will switch. People there quick, now they wanna move at the bits. Boy wanna throw to bitch, nah. Cool, these brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, never got a roll with ice. Cool, these brothers my guys, know that they fly.
Alright guys, so that's one down. Fully wrapped.
CJ Ike, never got a roll with ice. Cool, these brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, never got a roll with ice. Generations caught up, look how things will switch. People there quick,
One side up, guys.
Boy wanna throw to bitch, nah. Generations caught up, look how things will switch. People there quick,
another side coming up.
boy wanna throw to bitch, nah.
I'll wrap this side also. Spoiler is on. Yeah. Well, it's not done yet, but I have a little bit more thing to do on it. See, I left was a little part of the. Babes, oh, you look like you do all of the work, so, eh?
Yeah.
In a box, like you do all of the work, yeah? Alright, guys, so that's the next upgrade. As you can see, it's a TRD replica spoiler. I won't call it a TRD spoiler because it definitely is not a TRD spoiler. It's not the original TRD spoiler like the side skirt and the back flange, but it's a replica. Bought it on Amazon or eBay? eBay. Okay, right. So
It's a copycat.
yeah, it's a copycat. Well, I mean, it's a replica. I've always wanted to complete the Celica, guys. I've always wanted to complete the Celica into a proper, what you call it, an OEM look. And right now, this is the OEM look where you have in the, you know, the back flange, the side skirt, TRD side skirt, and the TRD replica wing. However, I'm not completely finished because I want to wrap the centerpiece here into carbon fiber, but unfortunately I run out of carbon fiber, so I'm gonna have to go get some on the Monday week because today is Saturday and the place is already closed. So I'm gonna get some on Monday, then I wrap the middle section of it. Alright guys, so that's just a short little video showing my TRD replica spoiler.